Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. And at the chairman television station Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195. And what we dey discuss na issue where me say if they come up plenty smoke inside Nigerian political boxing ring. What be the matter? The ministerial screening when we see from Tuesday when come wind up yesterday. It go continue next week Tuesday. A lot of Nigerians don't talk say the way when the exercise they go say somehow they go need to do more so that our mind go there say yes so this one go different from what we dey see before. Ezugu Chukwu the Anunku be there inside studio and now waiting with the chook mouth on top they collect your calls on top of this matter.
I won't quickly pick out something from waiting Oga Sam.
You don't they pick things since. You don't they pick. Everybody when on call Oga Chukwu you pick. You react. You pick. You react. You pick pockets.
Quickly Oga Sam talk one thing. And then that thing, he come and say that thing catch my attention. He say, because of the issue where they between Senate President and Oga Presido, he just be like say, somehow, the Senate on their own part, at this point in time, don't they loyal to Mr. Presido. And then, if you feel say, if now waiting with say be, or probably not the thought of some Nigerians, now we talk say they reduce their responsibility to say, okay, make we not ask this person question, or make we not ask this person anything related with waiting portfolio or the ministerial this way they don't nominate her for, make we just allow and make it do it, make it go. Now we go talk and say because of as a result of say, okay, Mr. President, all they put eye for some of these senators say, okay, blah say una wing don't they too big. Make una so take container. Maybe that's why they succumb now. So that in the end, they're not going to get affected. They will feed them good time with Mr. President. But in as much as all these things they take place, it straight off say it they still restrict their job from their distance from they restrict their hand from playing out the job way they're supposed to play the way they're supposed to play.
You don't ask questions, you don't answer them. There's no need for me to say anything.
I want you to react to it.
I cannot react to it.
You will have to react to it.
I will not react to it.
After Oga, God bless. Don't react to this one. You will react to them.
God bless or good news.
Your eyes don't
react. Your eyes don't react.
Oga, good news. Good
Your
morning.
eyes don't react. You see?
Good news. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Oga. Good news.
Good morning.
Yes. Good morning. They hear you.
They don't say why they try to call. No fit call.
No verse. We dey fine. Thank God say you don't connect us today.
Yes, sir. I want to contribute for this ministerial list with the pre-course.
Okay.
We dey hear you.
So the thing, me myself, the way the thing they go, they're very surprised because whether Nigeria they go front, whether will they go back, we don't know. And those Senate, what thing they do? Say that they try to screen the people. All the screening where they do, I never see anyone where they see screen out say this person now is not fit to be a minister. And most of them, we say we need change. And most of them, they are still members of the past regime. And they say we need change. The change, we are not seeing the change at all. And the country now, hunger everywhere. Many companies now, they don't close down. And the people where they bring in, I don't know whether those people, they are truly people where they move this country forward. So that is why me, myself, I say make a call. Because that is the thing they bother me. They bother us, many people for this country. Because like now, because I believe that we still have some youth. Because when those people, they campaign, they were talking about the youth. But the list and everything, we are not seeing any youth there. So how do we say youth are the leaders of tomorrow? How those youth want to be leaders of tomorrow now? Because of what we see. Because most of them just like say, because me myself, I say those people, they are the people from the right of Shagari regime that time. Now they see the people where they turn around. The one where they don't hold their children go come in. Other neutral people, you know, they see anyone for a side. So that is my contribution this morning.
Thank you very much. Oga, good news. Oga, good news. The passion where you use even talk. Considering the fact that even for the background self, so small noise they enter.
I won't believe that small noise when they enter. Now still reaction to the screening. Now reaction, the pikin right now, they also react to the fact say no.
Say the bow down and go.
We have to get things right. Saying as much as we do it, we don't know say we don't set up a very good platform.
Because they do bow down and go.
That's why they react
as well. They do bow down and go. Unkubi, see, I don't even verse. Make we define what in screening be. Make we know what it be. Now, most people they talk say, Former governor of Ekiti State, Kayode Fayemi, former governor of Lagos State, Babatunde Fashola, Ibe Kachiku say they sabi talk. Dan Bazao, they sabi talk. Why? Because they ask them questions and they give them time to feel express themselves. Why we call the see bow down and go for some cases? Make we define what screening be. According to the Thesaurus na big this thing, oh. They talk say screening na to test object or person in order to identify particular characteristics. Thesaurus. Make I even go, may I give you another definition again. Make you see what it mean. This one talks say screening.
We get caller right now. Good morning. Who they talk to us?
Good morning, Oga Kubi.
Good morning. Wetin be your name, Oga?
How dare you quote my definition?
Kenneth from Lagos.
Okay, good morning, Kenneth. Talk to us. We hear you
Oga
right
Kubi, I
on.
got you for the good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kenneth. I know the verse because now you.
Okay. I don't want to talk about the ministerial screening.
Okay.
If you go tell ourselves the truth, I believe say there is more improvement from what we used to have before. Unlike before, if you watch the program very well, you go see say both even APC people they ask all those important questions. Unlike before, whether only opposition they ask questions, only opposition they ask questions. The only party know they ask questions. But now APC they ask questions, PDP they ask important questions too. Then on the issue of the ministers, what they don't confirm. Hello?
Would they hear, Kenneth?
On the issue of the ministers, what they don't confirm. I believe say the 18 ministers now, what they don't confirm now, they are very good. I believe say they go help our president to move this country forward. But I have only one person where need to work on himself because road don't change. Don't be say the man no good or the man good. The person Lai Mohammed. I go want may you know say now because for over 10 years now he they work as a spokesperson for opposition party, APC and ACN. So now when he don't come inside government now, may you know say he know they work for APC again. Say he they work for Nigeria. Any matter where he want discuss, any matter where he want tackle, he should tackle it based on broadband, that means Nigeria view, not on party view. Because he's not a minister. That means he's not working for Nigeria, not for APC. Once he know this one, I believe say he work go this smooth. Just like saying, man, carry to quote now go put for one CNN English program. Maybe make an interview somebody. No. Don't be say you no go feed them. You go feed them, but he go take time. Yeah, he go. Chukwu go come their life say, hey, this one now say, hey, now pure English I go speak here. No be broken, I go speak here. So once he realize that one, say yes, I go speak better English here. That means you can perform your work well. But once he just did there, he think say now that PG program where you see they do. He go hard and small. So now my only take for that one now, Lai Mohammed.
Kenneth.
So the grade,
In fact, your contribution right now, that is, you don't point out something which is very, 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 very important for your talk right now. And then a something way we know say Nigerians right about now go hold very, very strongly. Thank you for calling. And you could make we look to waiting Oga Kenneth talk. Oga Kenneth talk say, look, make we feed make people when they come in as ministers right now, make them define their role before compared to the ministers or the ministerial role they won't give. They say these are two different worlds. These are two different platforms. Make no come they bring the ideology of what you be before into this international ideology because it differs. Before I will continue, make we collect this call from Igabari. Good morning, Igabari, all the way from Warri. Igabari, good morning. Igabari, they there? So you see, and they can't take Oga Lai Mohammed to give example. Say, look, you're no longer a spokesperson for the APC. You're now a spokesperson for Nigeria. You're now a spokesperson for
they never give her the position.
Okay, but we just assume.
But they sit there and say bow down and go. No. Now waiting me at the talk be that. No be waiting at the talk. Oh, let's have them. Make we know their work. Make we know them when we do this. But they still they tell people say make them bow and go. Say they get culture. What be the culture? Oh, people when we say them, they go allow them go in the spirit of brotherhood. But person when not even there before, when I tell them say make bow and go.
Why they break into my talk?
Which one be breaking? Which one be breaking into your talk?
No. I know.
Oga Kenneth talk something. You can't carry the talk come from back. You don't want to talk wetin him talk. Today we go talk all this matter. Everybody go talk am. Oga Obiora from Yola, you go see him. You will react to this one too. Oga Obiora, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
As we summarize what you do, we need to summarize them today until next week, Friday.
Okay.
You know what I talk always. And when you look at my talk, monitor and the thing they happen. I tell them I say this party, they form with propaganda, they win election through propaganda. As of today, they're still moving under propaganda. And it will not help us. Now, APC senators tell us that there is change and everything will change. Bow and go is still happening. Somebody talked that this time they're asking questions. So I want to take our mind back to when Jonathan appointed Dorak as minister nominee. They asked him many questions, and his PDP member that asked him many questions. What is his attitude when Yar'Adua is on sick bed? You remember that one. And again, I want to remind you, there was one time that Minnesota nominee come, and they asked him to sing the national anthem, and he failed. You understand? I don't know whether you remember that thing.
We remember.
Yes, we remember.
It's some question they ask them. So it's the same thing, and I tell you, remember, in our constitution, if any judicial panel of inquiry indicts you, you are not able to hold any public office. They have indicted Amechi now. And I will tell you that Amechi must be screened and he will pass to show you that APC is a propagandalist. And if they do not change this character, we thank God that 2019 is coming very fast. So before you know it, people will hate them and they will hate themselves. If you cannot do A, don't tell people that you will do this. Tell us that you will do as usual, so that we will believe you, because we know all of you. There is no change in the whole thing. So to tell me that APC asked APC people questions, nothing like that. They asked Fashola, why did you use so amount to build a website? Fashola didn't answer the question, and they allow him to go. So you are telling us that you are not signing the check, but you are authorized to sign the check. So when you look at this issue, it's almost the same thing. So no change. What we are believing and what we are saying is, let them try to change their attitude. Because the telling them change and acting otherwise is not what we expected from them. And we that will not support them, if they continue like this, we will not support them. But when they change truly, we will give them our support.
Oga Obiora, you don't finish talk for on top of this matter. The way when we say Unku be calm, like who they pour ice water for him body, is already clear. You want to react to it. No, you want to react to it. No, you want to react to it.
Ogobina from Surulere, here in Lagos.
Mr. Reaction, Mr. Reactor.
Good morning, Ogobina.
No, they look me like so you be boss.
Obina, good morning.
Hello?
Good morning, we hear you right on.
Hello?
Yeah, hello, they hear you, Ogobina.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Nkubi.
Yes.
Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Oga Obina, we greet you.
Yeah, I just want to contribute. You see, when they mention screening, we should also check it properly. Because screening now for person way they won't know whether he sabi the work or
not,
or whether he know the position where they won't give him to. Because now, if you check Fashola the way they screen him, if you check the former Ekiti State governor, see the way they screen him.
Yes.
If you check that fair lady with the glasses, see the way the woman talk. Look at the way she spoke. You understand? Look at Udoma. Look at the way he started. Look at the way he speaks. Nigeria, we don't pass that level. We don't pass that level because if you would ask me now, see Chukuma at least go school. Chukuma know what is screening. You understand? Okay, if they don't screen all these people now, screen them properly very well. How they take screen like Mohammed? That one is screening also. You understand me? So
Yeah.
if the
Hey, Oga Obina, oh, the thing caught my heart immediately that call caught. He caught my heart immediately that call caught. Aye, because he did. Aye, Oga Chukudi, call him back. You will react a second time. You will get. You should be like to react. You go react tired today. You go. Oga Chukudi from Owerri. Just what you will react. Oga Chukudi.
Once again.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I need to come back to clarify Nkubi. You know, he asked me a question.
Okay.
You see, yeah, Nkubi, let me tell you, the benchmark we are talking is not to know who comes first or who comes last. No.
Thank you.
You know, say, one, President Muhammad Buhari can reshuffle his cabinet at any point in time.
Very true.
If it comes to the Minister of Finance, put for Minister of Petroleum.
Thank you.
Now, they fit drill you on say you want to enter for Minister of Finance after he come push you for petroleum. Assuming you are not properly drilled, how you go fit do the job? You see one thing, they screen people. One, administrative acumen. Two, they fit screen you on intellectual sagacity. Three, they fit screen you on your level of, your kind of charismatic, disposition. They fit screen you based on professional competence. Now, Senate, they're supposed to tell us which of this angle of this screening now did this person score high, so that if tomorrow Oga Buhari now change and put for another ministry, he go fit perform administratively, he go fit perform professionally, he go fit perform intellectually. Those people when they now come and bow and go, which level, which benchmark they say they now measure? Do they measure 80% in administrative acumen or 50% on professional competence or 30% on charismatic disposition or 50% on administrative capacity? That's what we are saying. This is Nigeria for us. We don't pass all this level of all this kind of kind of stick diplomacy of things. Let's call a spade a spade. There must be benchmark. Benchmark means this is the level this person has to go, because tomorrow Oga fit change them, put for another ministry. Now, how you go perform? Thank you very much, and God bless.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very much for this talk where you don't finish.
Thank you very much,
Every time
Oga
I beat
Chukwudi.
my chest, say two of us they share one name. Make we go this break, come back. M for Nkubi, M for Nto. M for Nkubi, M for what? Nto.
Welcome back. The program now as it is hot, and on today's edition, we dey look the as sequel edition. We dey give now all the information on all the stories we'll do it in, where we'll talk about from Monday reach Thursday, and what will be the major stories we will talk about now? The senatorial screening. I mean the ministerial screening where they take place for the House of Senate. We don't get different calls from different people and different reactions from different people. Chukwudi still there for us, and the one of our last callers we just called before we go for that break. Now Oga Chukwudi, we be namesake of this other fake Chukwudi way they beside me, and he get one major thing where he drop. We really catch my attention. He say, make we set up benchmark where we will take it do it in. They screen these ministers so at least we go know say yes, see the angles we want ask the questions. See the angles, see as we will take set up the questions. So at once we ask this question, we could assess them based on all these things, outline them this thing portfolio, or rather or outline them this what we don't put down to take this thing. They define them whether they credible or not. So Chukwudi,
No, they come and name. When person don't lie too much, you no go know wetin to talk. Minister of Lies, Falsehood and Fabrication. Where is this thing? Why would I talk this thing? Why you know they talk that thing? Why you know they talk that thing where you supposed to talk? Bow down and what? Go! Bow down and what? Go! Wetin dem tell us before the whole exercise start? Say we go see wetin dey different, abi? But wetin we still see?
for your mind, this now you win today, abi?
Which one be wetin I win? No, every day na dey always dey win. Because all the people wey dey call dey chook mouth for this matter. Who has been reacting since morning? No be you dey react since morning. Wetin dey make you react? All the talk when our callers dey talk dey fire you for body, the thing dey pepper you. You lucky say oga you go never come from Abuja o. You for know wetin you go know wetin go tell you now.
I don dey react already, and that reaction. Now your body I go launch and put.
You go launch wetin?
I dey tell you.
You go launch wetin?
I don dey warn you.
Nigerians, can you see? I dey always dey talk about this show say I need police protection.
I don dey warn you.
You see.
Since I don dey close my eyes, one of my eyes don dey shut.
Which one be your eyes on the shut?
I don dey warn you.
Which one be your eyes on the shut?
Which mood of vex be this?
Which mood of vex?
I don dey tell you.
Just respect
Just
respect yourself.
Make we address wetin Oga Chukwudi talk.
Just respect yourself.
Now they pick on me.
Because you don't think I talk about military background. Because I don't talk about military background, you don't tell abi. Oga Polycarp from Enugu, our Ogbonge caller. Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Oga Polycarp, we don't miss you. Hey!
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
And a bunch of my credit. Sold me on the line though.
Eh?
And a bunch of my credit, I'm waiting for the person.
Hey, no verse.
No. We dey hear Oga Polycarp.
Wait, let me finish before the case runs out. Let me say, a leopard never changes its color. This process of giving a bow has been going on for years. Even during the time.
Oga Poly.
Hey!
Oga Polycarp.
Hey! proverb about leopard. He starts with proverb about leopard. Hey, this thing pay me oh. Che. Abeg, our people. Because of the plenty love we will get for una fit still call our toll-free line. Now we go dey pay that one. Make una call, make una talk, make we hear am. Hey, Oga Polycarp give proverb about leopard. She say leopard no dey change their wetin their sport. Hey, Oga, hey, if I and this point for hit well. If for hit well because example dey very very clear of people wey no dey change their wetin their sport. Hey, leopard, a leopard never changes his what sport. How you dey adjust your this thing? See, I know they say I'm a straight. Oh, if you like squeeze face like who won't do waiting bad. I get training. I know when bad thing is coming. So don't they look me like say this thing, bow down and go.
This program go end, Abi.
What will happen if the program end?
No worry.
No, wait. You won't bring your voice down for me to use the threaten me.
This program go end.
See, me I tell you, me I warn you. Never, no.
This program go end.
In fact, if you lucky, I for end this program now. Make I see what you want to do.
This program go end.
I for end this program now. Make I see what you want to do. Make you do your worst.
Anyway, our viewers, we still get the time still there. We still feel collect like 1 or 2 more calls. Still based on this matter. Make we hear our own reaction on top of this thing we will talk about. And Oga Polycarp won't give us one proverb, one solid proverb. And if we go try understand what they try talk, anyway, not me go explain that one. And also Chukwudi is good at explaining proverb. He don't already try to define within the kind of proverb Oga Polycarp won't give. But still on the issue, Chukwudi, still, I still want to bring it back to the issue of Oga Chukwudi and setting up standard on how we suppose they address the issue of screening. So I go feel say yes, if eventually they promote you from a particular ministerial role, put you for under ministerial role, you go feel they active as you did for that ministerial position you be there before, where we say you be professional for there. So make we also look and say yes, a very very good comment from Oga Chukwudi. And wait to be one important way our senators need to also learn, so that at least subsequently, if this kind of thing won't come up, make we know say yes, make we don't set up the standard. So at in the end, we go fit talk say, we go fit beat our chest, talk say yes, the people who will nominate, the people who appoint, the people who will give responsibility, say then they carry out their job effectively the way we want them.
It's so, very you see Oga Chukwudi.
No, I talk no. Pick. Take.
Which one be this? I say Oga Chukwudi.
No. Take must you call his? I don't already call Chukwudi. Just pick him up from there.
Not be me go call wetin I won't call. I say Oga Chukwudi. He make am very very clear and he dey very very simple with wetin he do. Everybody hear wetin he talk and he don't give his own point. And he dey very very glaring and he dey very very clear. Wetin again you they argue about?
People say it dey obvious say right now we will switch talk. I know just get time for all this one. And say our viewers back to the tale and the story of November November 10. Hashtag November 10. We don't tell them I say hashtag November 10. A very special day for people, for our viewers, for people who they follow us on as they heard, for people who be lovers of Wazobia TV, for people who be lovers of our sister station, Cool TV. This day now a very strong, solid day for us and for Nigerians and for the world where they watch us. Chukwudi.
And also, in line with hashtag November 10, you get some kind of special package when we say we don't prepare for una. On that 10th of November, write and down. But you self go feel enjoy from the plenty awoof when go come on that November 10. What you go do be say, as Unkubi they carry this paper like this now, you self just go design your own hashtag November 10. Come carry am, snap picture. Only you or you and your friends.
You can cover your face so make you see your face and the hashtag November 10. If na biro, if na pen, if na golden pen, if na to type am you do am, just make sure say we see hashtag November 10.
Just carry the picture, put on top of Instagram and tag at Wazobia TV NG. If you tag at Wazobia TV NG, we go repost your picture. Immediately we repost your picture. If you get plenty likes, you go win plenty gift. Recharge card, iPad, Samsung phone, branded t-shirts, and plenty awoof them. Until we come back again, drop the paper.
Say no about.
Drop the paper now.
See this week, I don't
Until we come back again.
Why you don't react to that?
With another drop the paper, you go see what I'm.
People they go. Why don't they react to November 10 now?
You better mind yourself now. Better mind yourself now.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.